Higher education, I think is really valuable. I didn't ever want to just work and not have a degree or not have a career or do something where I knew that I could have an income that would be stable for me and my daughter. I knew that I had to go back to school because it wasn't cutting it detailing cars and working at all the different jobs I worked at. Coming in and calling and getting signed up for school was one of the greatest decisions I ever made.
I did the nursing program here at SWAC, and I feel really fortunate to have access to that in our little community and not have to move out of town to do it. And then I got a job up at the hospital. I've been a nurse for a year now. Got my nursing degree last year on July 8th, so it's been a year exactly. And I can't think of anything else I'd rather do.
Another perspective to look at as far as the science building is concerned is we have a severe medical shortage in the area of medical personnel in almost all fields, physicians, physical therapy, nurses. It's really been hard to recruit medical staff, qualified medical staff to come into the area. And the science building would give us a place for kids, local kids, to begin their medical career in our community, and that's in that science network.
And I think there's a lot more support than you realize at first. You feel like, oh, I'm gonna go be a doctor, but I'm from North Bend, and it's like, how is that possible? That's not gonna work. But then when I came back here and did all my rotations, like the doctor community here was so supportive of me.
I'd say 80% of the students that I graduated with are now employed up at Bay Area Hospital, and that has something to speak for itself. The ones who aren't here planned on moving, or they had commuted to do the program itself. Although we have that many students working at the hospital, we are still quite short-staffed, and there's always jobs for nurses, and we need more people, we need more nurses.
Coos County in general is a great place, and my dream is to come back and raise my family here and bring more people to the community and show them, give them the experience that this is a great community and the community is invested in everybody. We take care of each other, and you don't get that in a lot of places.